The Amazon Influence Program is a goldmine of an opportunity if you know how to get free products. And in today's video, I'm going to open up the curtains and I'm going to show you exactly how my family and I have gotten over $100,000 plus in free products sent directly to our porch, all with clicking a few buttons. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. I've been doing the Influence Program for the last couple years. We've gotten 6 figures plus in free products sent to our porch, and I've also done 6 figures plus in commissions. So what I'm about to share with you is the secret sauce. I don't know if I'm going to regret sharing this, so I might take this down. So if you guys are watching this, you guys need to implement this ASAP because it just flat out works. And the top influencers, this is what they're doing to get tons of free products and also skyrocket their commissions and take this little side hustle into an actual thriving business. So if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment. Let's jump into my screen and show you where all the magic happens. So we're gonna go to Creator Connections, and I made a video about this a few weeks ago. If you guys haven't watched it, I would definitely recommend watching it. Creator Connections save the Amazon Influence Program. Essentially, what Creator Connections allows you to do is get increased commissions. So instead of making 2 to 4%, you can make 10, 20, 30, 40%. And then you can also get tons of free products. And there's a tool called Viral View that is going to automate this entire process. Before this tool, this was something that took 40 plus hours per week to do correctly. And now you click a few buttons and it's done for you automatically. So I'm going to blow your guys' mind. I'll put the link in the description where you guys can get 10% discount for life. And you guys are going to download this and you're going to see the extension overlay right here. So you'll get the extension and you'll see this drop down. You click Creator Connections, it will take you right here. And there's a few buttons right here, which we will go over. The first one that I want to show you is open up product view. This is where it's going to show all of the top performing products in these different campaigns that you want to look out for. And a top product, and what I mean by a top product is it is doing good 30-day revenue. So this product is doing $17,000 per month, and the total influencer video count is low. And in this case, there's no competition. And that's exactly what we want to see, because if we are to get this product and make a video, we are going to be the only one in top carousel. And this campaign commission is 25%. So every time we sell, we're going to make 25%, which that margin is better than the seller itself, which is just insane. And so those are the type of products that we are looking for. Now, the golden question is now, how do we get this for free? How do we get the seller to send us the product? So if you come over here to what's called Campaign ID, you can click on this, and this little button right here, it says Message Brand. And this is where you can actually reach out to the brand and basically request for these samples. But there's an easier way, which I want to show you right here. So instead of going through and clicking on the brands, clicking on this, and even without this extension, it takes hours. Like I said, it's a full-time job just doing this. With this, it shows you best products to lowest. And then from there, you can go to the campaign ID and send it. But we're going to take it a step further. We're actually going to automate these messages by clicking this little message icon. So I can click all of these and be like, okay, I want these products. I'm going to send a message to the brand by just clicking on this little checkbox. And before I hit send message, because this is what the automation does, I'm going to show you the actual template that I'm sending to the brand. So I hit edit template, and this is exactly what I'm saying. And it's going to go in and individually send these messages to all of these brands. So again, this used to literally take hours every single day. You can now do it in a matter of seconds. So this is the template that I have. What I recommend is you guys create your own template, but it's, hey, I'd love to help boost the conversion rate for your ASIN. And then it has the placeholder. So we'll actually input the ASIN as your checkbox on the extension. Again, this is the automation. This is what the software is doing in the back end by creating a high quality shoppable video to feature on your products page video carousel. If you're open to sending a sample, I'll film a professional video. Here's my storefront for you to check out. That is the template. From there, I'm going to click on the checkboxes. And as you can see, I've selected 6 ASINs. Messages to send is going to be 5. And the reason being is this accelerator store has 2 products right there. And so that's going to lump up both of these ASINs into one message. And then right here, you have 15 messages left. So the tool is going to allow you to send 20 automated messages every single day, which is absolutely insane. If you were to do this manually, it would take you at least 30, 45 minutes, and now you can do it in a matter of seconds. So I'm going to show you right here. So I've got these 6 ASINs selected. Messages to send, there's 5, and I'm going to hit send. And just like that, it's going to go in and do the automation And it's going to take a matter of what? 6 seconds, 7 seconds to send those messages. And just like that, I'm going to be able to get responses from those brands. They'll be like, hey, what's your address? I'll send you the product. And boom, you got a free product sent to your porch. And yes, it is that simple. So you guys are going to want to download the extension. You're going to automate the process by doing the templates. Again, you open up product view, and I can do this for a bunch of products. So I just go boom, 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 hit send message, and then it's going to go in and it's going to send those messages on your behalf. It is seriously the coolest thing. And I don't even know why I'm sharing this, but that's the golden nugget for you guys. So make sure to take advantage of it. So I'm going to close that, and we're going to take it one step further. Now that you have started the process, you're reaching out to the brand, you're getting these contacts, you're getting the free products. Now, once you film these videos and you upload them to your storefront, you need to accept the campaigns and you need to submit the videos. And this process also takes forever long, but it doesn't anymore thanks to ViralView. So this tool is not only going to help you automate the brand reach out, but it's also going to help you find campaigns. It's going to help you accept them, and it's going to submit all videos with a click of 2 buttons. So the automation features inside ViralView is next to none, and no one else does this. So we're going to come over here and we're going to hit accept related campaigns. And what it's going to do is it's going to go in and find all the campaigns. I have a video that breaks down this exact thing in depth, but I'll just show you guys. We'll hit start. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull 2,000 ASINs, and it's going to go in and find and identify campaigns that are available. And what's crazy is by doing this, you're going to be amazed at how many videos you've done have campaigns available in Creator Connections. I know Amazon recommends some campaigns, but they don't recommend all of them. And when I did this, I had like 10, 15 campaigns. And then once I ran this, I now have over 400 campaigns, and my Creator Connections commissions are going through the roof. And now getting free products, increased commissions, making sure that all of the videos that you've done are a part of these campaigns, this is where the money is at. So make sure to get ViralView. That's a complete breakdown of Creator Connections. As you can see, it says 16 minutes left. This literally used to take, you couldn't even do this manually. And if you were to do this every single day, it would take 8+ hours every single day to manually check every single day. And now you can just click a button and it will check for you. So Creator Connections is a goldmine. That is the secret to making more with the Influencer Program. I'll drop the link down in the description to ViralView. And ViralView doesn't just do Creator Connections. It will also help you make smarter decisions when it comes to buying a product. So if you're going to be buying a mini fridge, well, you might as well buy the best product. So you can come right here and be like, okay, I want to buy this one because it's doing 111,000 and the total influencer video count is 4. So I'm going to be on top carousel. You can also go to your order history. You can scan your order history and find all of the products that you have purchased and see which products are the best. You have an entire web app to help you sift through and find it. You can, the list goes on. I have a bunch of tutorials on the channel. If you guys want to see more videos like this is straight gold. I don't know what else to give you guys because this is just me being as transparent and as open as I possibly can. So Creator Connections, automate the brand reach out, then automate the submitting the videos, finding the campaign, submitting the videos, and then watch the money come in.